What's popping, guys? It's your boy Iman back again with another video. So today, guys, we are trying this out, the hot chicken flavor ramen challenge. So here we are back again with the banger video. So here we are. I have 2 packs right now. Look at that. So we are going to try this out. This one packet we are leave out over there. And this one we're going to eat 1 pack first, guys. 1 pack, or maybe 2 pack. I don't know whether I should try 2 packs together. But I don't want. I cannot tahan. I can't take spice, so I just eat one of them. So guys, we are eating this out today. So let's see if I can hold the spice on these noodles. So let's get into the cooking. So let's go. So here we are. I opened the pack already. So we have a cheese and the hot sauce. Look at that, the hot sauce. You guys can see it. It's very dark red here, guys. Oh my god. And this is the cheese to make it. I hope this cheese make the noodles not so spicy. I hope this will make it not so spicy. And I think got one more. Okay, there's not only left the noodles. So let's get into the water. So I need to open the water first. Which should I use? Okay, hold on, guys. I will be right back after I take out the pot. So yeah, peace. Okay, guys, I don't have any choice, so I just use this instead. So yeah, so let's put it on the fill up with the water. So I will be right back after I just cook the Maggi, and after I boil these noodles onto the hot water. I'll be right back after that. Then I will be putting these two, the cheese and the hot mega sauce. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I decided not to use the gas for today. So I will be using the hot water there. This hot water over here. I'll be using this instead of cooking it on the stove right there. So let's go, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just put it on the hot water. So just need to wait a few minutes to make it very soft. So yeah, guys, so right now we are going to take the plate to eat for the noodles. So I decided to use this right here, like that. So yeah, this for the noodles. So yeah, this will be next. I will be putting it. So just wait. So just need to wait. So let's cover this thing onto the noodles first. Then after that we are going to set. So I'll be right back after it's cooking. After it's already fully cooked. I mean fully boiled. Fully cooked lah also can. So okay, guys, before we wait this to be cooked on the hot water, so I want you guys to go down there, subscribe right now, because I risk myself to eat this thing right here, the hot noodles. So yeah, this cheese one, I already tried the original one, like not so spice, a little bit spice, but not so spice. It's a spicy one, but it's not like only have the you know what I mean, the black color noodles like this one. The black color one is like not, yeah, this thing make it spice, but it's a normal taste. Like I want something different, so I just bought the cheese one, the fire noodles, but it's a carbo. There's a cheese and cream over there. So I hope this make it very perfect. Then after, at the end of the video, I will be rating which one is the most spiciest one. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, right now I'm going to check whether it's already soft or not. So let's go guys, let's go. So I hope it's already soft. Oh, okay guys, it seems like almost done. So I'm just going to put the lid back on top of this noodle to make sure it's ready to put. But it's almost there guys, almost there. So I will be put the lid again, then we will wait another minute. I hope. Yeah, let's go guys, be right back. Okay guys, seems to me it's already done cooking. So let's put the liquid first, then after the cheese. So let's go. So yeah, hold on guys, I'm going to take my tripod to set it up so that you guys can see how I put the sauce. I'm going to put it right here, like this. Okay guys, I think, wait, hold on. I hope it like this can see. Okay, no mind. Okay, no mind. I just put it like this. So guys, let's go guys. So as you guys can see right here, you have the noodles. So let's put the ingredients. Hope you guys can see it. You guys can see it. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah guys. Guys, look at this hot sauce. Guys, I smell it first. Oh, smell very hot guys. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. Look at the sauce. Oh, okay guys. And the cheese one guys. Let me have a taste first, the chili first. Look. Oh, I can feel the hotness. Oh my god. Ah. Okay guys. The cheese one, wow, the cheese is so good. Okay. I leave it a little bit of water over there so that it will stir well. So let's go guys, let's go. Okay, putting it back the scissors. And throw it out. Okay, guys, so let's stir it up. Oh my god guys, look at the water. Okay, nice. Oh my god, hit the camera guys. Oh guys, look at that spiciness. Guys, look at that. Can you guys look at that? Oh my god. Okay guys, I'll be right back to the table where I eat. So yeah guys, see you guys. Okay guys, here I am. Guys, can you guys look at that noodle? Oh my god. Okay guys, so let's try to finish it. Let's go guys. Let's go. Let's try it out. Wow. It's different than the original one. I think this I think this one is the most spiciest one. Oh, I can see that's just one serve already feel the hot. Okay guys. Oh. Wow guys. Really hot here guys. I need a fan. I need a fan. Never mind, let's go. I can do this. Guys, comment down below. #Ilman can do this. I try to hold the spice. Guys, you have it. Oh my god, I finished it. Damn guys. Now let's see the black color noodles, the original one or this one. So I choose this one is the most spiciest one. This one. I'm not kidding guys, this one is the most spiciest one. So guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this food challenge. Comment down below which challenge, with food, with spicy noodles, food or whatever to let me eat. Guys, comment down below which spicy food should I eat next. See you guys on the next one. Peace.